At Omni-Health, we believe in enhancing patient care through operational efficiency. One of the largest, most consistent and common problems is the diminishing healthcare workforce. We make sure that at the end of it, whatever the solution implemented is, it remains human-centric. We understand that building trust between the workforce and the technology is very important, and we have a dedicated team who will work with the workforce to achieve this. At Omni-Health, we believe in enhancing patient care through operational efficiency. For the last almost 20 years, we have been a leading system integrator in the pharmacy automation space in Asia Pacific. And over the last 5 years, we have moved into robotics and AI as well for the healthcare industry. This is just because technology comes in waves, and this is the next bit of technology that has been created to support the healthcare workforces around the world and to make sure that health and well-being outcomes of patients, residents, and clients can be improved. Healthcare systems and healthcare workforces across the Asia Pacific region face different problems depending on the specifics of the country and the economies. But there are some problems across all of them that are consistent and very similar. One of the largest, most consistent and common problems is the diminishing healthcare workforce. Now, this is related to different causes in different countries. Whatever your healthcare facility may be, the pain points that you face on a day-to-day operational basis can be addressed through technology solutions. The importance is making sure that you work with a trusted system integration partner. That is what Omni-Health is. So we'd love to invite anyone out there where you've got day-to-day challenges that you face, that you have a solution in mind or don't know what a solution may be. We'd love to sit and work with you to understand the problem statement, to understand your current workflow, and to walk all the way along with you until we identify the solution, implement the solution, make sure your staff are comfortable and well trained on how they need to interact with the solution, make sure that your patients, residents, and clients are aware of the benefits of this technology, and then make sure that once the solution is implemented, it continues to work as it should from day one all the way till the end of its life. And that's what Omni-Health is here to help you achieve. We make sure that at the end of it, whatever the solution implemented is, it remains human-centric and it does not take away anything from the health and well-being outcomes of the clients, residents, and patients. We understand that building trust between the workforce and the technology is very important, and we have a dedicated team who will work with the workforce to achieve this.